go. Hold on. You hold it.
So it tells you how much they've been struggling.
Oh.
Smaller bites, my little monkey. Are you eating Nana? Do we like Nanas? Are Nanas good? Nana! Nana!
What are you doing? That was a good bite. That was a good bite. Maybe that was too much. You okay then? Did you eat it? Did you swallow? You sure did. Another little bite.
The Nana? Sean Bear, are you eating Nana? Sean Bear, can you say Nana?
Nana. Nana.
Can you say Nana, Sean Bear? Sean Bear, Nana.
Yes.
Chipmunk cheeks.
Chew it up really good, buddy.
Daddy.
Chew it up really good, buddy.